In the year of 2025 to 2026, I've made over $120,000 trading crypto meme coins without relying on my followers, without relying on my community for exit liquidity, and without relying on anything that other traders need to have to make money in this market. I purely made all this profit from purely trades. Well, that's exactly why I am making this video, because in this video I will be exposing my meme coin strategy on how I find viral narratives, how I enter, how I exit. Everything that you will need to know to make your first $100,000 will be in this video. Right now I do not sell a course, so without further ado, let's get straight into my up-to-date meme coin trading strategy. Now, first of all, if you are a beginner to trading meme coins, well, first of all, you will need to have some crypto in your Phantom wallet. The Phantom wallet extension is where you will be able to store your crypto and then trade with that crypto in the markets using Axiom. So if you don't have Phantom yet, well, download Phantom and put some Solana in that wallet using a centralized exchange. For example, Kraken and Coinbase are two of my personal favorite centralized exchanges when it comes to exchanging money in your bank for crypto and Solana. And then the second step is to create an account with Axiom Pro. Axiom Pro is the best, the cheapest, the fastest terminal for trading crypto meme coins in the markets. To sign up to Axiom Pro, just click the link in the description down below and you will save 20% on all trading fees permanently, and then you will land up in a page like this. The post is where you scan the market and then you decide if you want to invest into a coin. Now here the new pairs are all the new coins coming out every single second. The final stretch are all the coins that are gaining a bit of volume and that are about to migrate to Radium, and the migrate section is where all the coins reach a certain amount of market cap, and usually a coin when it migrates to Radium, it gets a bunch of attention instantly if it's not a scam. Now before we get into the strategy and we start going into the charts, you have to understand something critical, and that is what is a meme coin. Okay, now you guys need to understand that a meme coin is linked to attention, and attention is linked to something relevant. It could be a viral meme, some type of political news, a viral event, a business venture, a community. It could be anything like that. Now 98% of all meme coins are usually tied to one of these examples right here. For example, a viral meme, there was a penguin TikTok meme that went viral, there was a monkey meme that went viral, there was a bunch of meme coins that went extremely viral, all because of a TikTok meme. But anyways, that attention right here could be turned into money, and that's exactly what makes a meme coin in the first place. Okay, it's all a attention market. For example, bro, there was a big political event that happened a couple months ago and I was able to catch this wave. Okay, and that was when Charlie Kirk died. I'm pretty sure everyone watching this video already knows that, but when he died, his meme coin ran to like, I don't know, maybe like $20 million in market cap if I remember correctly. Okay, and just from that Charlie Kirk coin I made around, how much was that? $1,300 in a span of a couple minutes, and that is just on my side account. Okay, I have a main wallet where I think I made like 5k extra or some shit, but yeah, that was a couple months ago. But you can see how things can go fast. Immediately anything could happen and it could be turned into a meme coin, and that's all because of attention. Now when it comes to actually finding a strategy, okay, there are a bunch of different methods to, you know, make a strategy. Some people like to just trade new pairs. They like to scan here, put on a couple filters and look for coins that has potential to go viral and hit a 100k market cap. For example, I know Cupsy, he's one of the best traders out here right now in the trenches, and he only buys coins within a 5k to 20k market cap range. That is a really good example. I've been studying his wallet for a couple months now, and believe me, he's making millions a month, so that's a good strategy. But my personal strategy, okay, is not that. I just wait on immediate runners. I just buy coins that are basically guaranteed to go up, and that is my strategy. So I do scan new pairs sometimes, but that is really risky if you are brand new. I would just focus on migrated coins because here's where you can find a bunch of runners. Now obviously bro, we will be filtering out some shit to make our scanning better. So I would highly recommend for filters, okay, to go into migrated, right? And I would only select protocols. It depends to you. Do you want to trade pump.fun, meme coins, bond coins, moonshot? It's up to you. I would just leave it like this, right? And then I would go into metrics, okay, and I would do volume right here. I would do a minimum of $10,000. Market cap, I would do a minimum of, $35,000 for the market cap. Liquidity too, if you want to be safe, you can change that too. For the metrics, I would highly recommend to play around with it, okay? It's up to you to what you want to do. These are my personal filters. Apply all. I would come back to filters, okay? And then I would go to audit, and here is really important, okay? Now here I would highly recommend to put dev holdings at a maximum of 15%, because anything over 15% is clearly a rug. Snipers over 15% too, okay? Anything is a rug over 15%, so I would put a cap at 15. Insiders, that's up to you. Bundle percentage, 15% maximum. Holders, I would put that to 50. Well, actually holders, I would put a minimum of 50. That's my opinion, right? And obviously these you can play around with it, but those are my personal filters, okay? Now right here you can see more legit coins, okay? Because before we had a bunch of scams, but now we are filtering out the scams, and now we actually have decent coins that have potential to run, like this one. It's gaining some attention, the dex is paid, everything looks good, and it's a community, right? Clearly the chart is legit. That is a good example of a coin. Now for example, charts that you might see often are charts like these, right? Artificial coins, okay? These, wait, what? Like charts like these, right? Like these are all, it's fake volume that is getting pushed by one person, okay? It's just, don't buy these coins, okay? It's clearly a scam. There's a bunch of bullshit on chain, but that's exactly why we say that 98% of all these coins are bullshit, and a really good meme coin trader can detect these scams and only buy the 2%. Like this chart is clearly a scam. There's one green candle and then fake volume for a couple minutes, and yeah, that's clearly a scam. You just want to avoid those, okay, and focus on filtering out your coins good, and then focus on buying the coins at the right place. But now it's time for the entries. Once you detect a good narrative, how do you buy it? Okay, how do you sell? What do you do? Well, usually when it comes to entering a coin, every single trader will tell you this, it's all intuition. Now, the more time you have buying coins and evaluating narratives, the more you will get familiar with if it's worth it to buy here, if it's worth it to sell here. But usually when it comes to entering a coin, if it has a good narrative and you really think that it can go up with the amount of attention that the coin is getting, well, you should just buy there. Do not hesitate, do not be emotional, just buy. If it goes down 20%, you can sell, right? If it goes up 100%, well, you're up in profits. But just make sure to filter out your coins good, okay? Look at the dex if it's paid, look at the bundlers, look at the token info. It's really important. You can even go down here, okay? You can go in holders and you can look at the bubble map for your coins and you can see who is holding the coin. If it's bundled a lot, okay, there's a bunch of info that bubble maps can tell you. And something really important to make sure that the coin is legit is to see if other traders that are actually profitable are buying the coin. For example, this coin, Orangey bought it here, okay? I have a couple people who I am tracking that is buying the coin, and that is a good sign to buy the coin if other people that are profitable are buying it too. Now, to track people on Axiom, just go in the let me just see real quick. Go in trackers, right? And then here you can add your wallets, or you can import a list directly. If you want my personal wallets that I am tracking, I have all the best people in the space. For example, Orangey, Cupsy, Scented, all these people I am tracking. Well, join my Discord down below, okay? It's completely free, and you will get the list there in the Axiom Wallet Tracker channel in my Discord. It will be there. Now, another tool that you will be 100% needing for trading meme coins and for your strategy, okay, is a good X Twitter alert tracker. Okay, there's one built in into Axiom, but in my opinion it's slow and it doesn't have the right people. Okay, so I would highly recommend to use the X tracker on speedlaunch.io. A bunch of people are using speedlaunch.io to use their free X tracker. Just log in with your X or Discord. I'm gonna log in with my X real quick, and then just authorize app, and then you should be in. Bang, you're in. Okay, and right here, okay, you have a X tracker. It's going really fast, but what I usually do is I put this on the side of my screen, and I put my other screen right here with Axiom, and then as you guys can see, that is my setup. I have my X tracker on the left side, and then I have my Axiom and my charts on the other side of my screen. Now, if you want to change or highlight people or customize or put alerts or notifications on your phone, well, in the settings, right, in the account, I think, and then in wallets, well, you have a in trackers here, you can add people, you can highlight people, you can put custom sounds for people. It's up to you. Okay, you can play around with it. For example, here there's a bunch of notification sounds for certain tweets. If Elon Musk tweets, if the owner of Solana tweets, well, bang, you'll get you will get a notification, and then you will have the edge over every single other trader to ape into a coin. I would highly recommend to use speedlaunch.io. okay, I think it's the only site that offers a free X tracker, so go there and use it to track tweets. And also, if you are a dev, you can deploy coins on Pump.Fund directly. That's up to you. Now, if you are a beginner to trading meme coins, bro, I would highly recommend to start with a couple SOL. Do not start fucking splurging until you're profitable, okay? Just start with 1 SOL, 0.5 SOL, and just try to flip that into more gains. And once you get more experience and more profitable, and you get a bigger portfolio, then now you can try to size in more into runners, okay? And just continue like that. It will snowball, and then eventually you will hit big PNLs potentially. And by the way, bro, join my Discord server down below if you want to connect with other traders and to find people to trade with, or if you want to flex your PNLs, whatever, bro, join my Discord. It's the best trading group for meme coins. It's free. You can join it right now after this video. I hope you learned something brand new, bro. Like, comment, and subscribe, bro. I would highly appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much. And yeah, bro, I'm trying to grow this channel to like at least 1,000 subs by the end of this year. So yup, and peace out.